Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use TempMail, which is a website that gives you a temporary email address that you can use, for example, if you're signing up for an account on a website and you don't want spam, or you're logging on to a public Wi-Fi network and you don't want ads in your inbox. So the website is tempmail.org, and when you go on this website here, it'll give you a temporary email address like that. And when you're here, you can press here to copy the address to your clipboard. It will do that automatically. And see here, I can paste it in whatever website I'm trying to access. You can also go on here and press the change button if you want to change the email address here. So I can pick the login. I'll do downtechboy@ and then you can pick the domain here, riv3r.net, save, and the address will change over here. So I'm going to quickly send an email to this address. So let me just type this in. So I'm going to make the email say hello world. Okay. Now the email has been sent, so now I'm just going to refresh and wait for the email to come through here. There, here, downtechboy, subject hello. See here, hello world. So you can use this to access like public Wi-Fi networks or websites that make you type in your email to access content. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful.